Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we unpair a Bluetooth headphone to our Poco phone. Guys, you want to unpair your Bluetooth headphone with to your Poco phone. So how can you unpair today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to unpair guys your Bluetooth headphone. Then guys you can see phone Bluetooth setting as click on your phone Bluetooth setting as you can see guys we have paired this Bluetooth pre-tone company headphone, and guys we will tap here the right side to unpair option. Yes, you can see your unpair option, and guys you can see use for guys calls guys you want to off, so you can off from here. You want to off guys your media audio guys, you can off from here guys. So like that you can on and off guys your calls and media volume guys, you can on off from here guys. You will off guys your phone call, then guys you cannot pick up call. Media audio guys you will off, you cannot use your volume. So as you can see unpair option guys, tap here, then guys Bluetooth headphone will unpair to our Poco phone guys. We cannot use this headphone. If we use, so we will have to pair again. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.